Okay.
This is Steve McDaniel and Chris Hutch. We're on the dock of KB Duck. You hear the manufacturing going on in the background. We wanted to video this to show you the new Forever clamp. This is with the adjustability. This is the standard Forever clamp, but it now has a T-bolt and a nut on the end of it to use for tightening after you've made after you've clamped it together. Our test apparatus here is simply two pieces of duct with a roll grip on one end and welded on the other with a welded seam. We put a pressure gauge on it and we've got an air shut here to put the air in. I'm now going to clamp the two pieces together. One thing you do want to do is you want to silicone spray the gasket so it'll help slide around as you're making the connection. Take the two pieces, clamp them together. This is normal. And then I'm going to tighten this clamp down. Very strong. You can really pull it together. You can see that the clamp and the gasket is pulling together there. And now I'm going to put about 8 psi into this and let you see just how long it holds. This is 20 psi up here, so we'll go to that mark right there will be about 8 psi. Tremendous, that's more air than we. Alright. Now I'm going to undo the air so you see we're not putting any in. And it is holding at about just a little under 8. And let's see, there's no air hooked up. Dropping a little, it's maybe about 7.5 now. I'd say right at about 6 maybe. He's holding right on. I guess I should have put the pin in there. But you see that it's holding and holding tight. I'm going to bleed it off. You won't believe how much air is in here. It's bleeding off now, still bleeding air. You still feel it coming out. And even though it's saying 0, I can still feel air coming out of the tank. All right, so there you go. To take it off, it's just a matter of there you are. You may ask, is this reusable? And the answer is yes. This is about our 20th take on this, and the clamp is performed just fine and still tightening up. There you have it.